Canva is continuing to expand its amazing AI features, and this time it's a sound generator, which means you can create your own music. I'm Kim from Be Your Own Graphic Designer and a Canva champion, and today we're going to look at a new app on Canva called Soundraw. Let's go over to my screen and we'll take a look. Now, if you're not sure where to find apps, there are two places you can find them. You can find them from your home screen under Apps, and the one we're looking at today is the one that's featured here. And you can see, simply choose the genre, mood, theme, and length you want, and our AI will generate beautiful songs for you. I'm just going to quickly click on here and then go to my other screen to show you how you can find it from your design screen. It's a separate company to Canva. You do have an option when you use the app of linking it to your Soundraw account if you have one already. And you have the option, as with all of these, to either use an existing design or use in a new design. And I'll go through all the settings and the options that you have when we go into my design screen. Let's go there now. Here's the video layout, as I thought this would be the best one to demonstrate Soundraw with. I'm going to go to Elements now. Now I could type in video, or I could just scroll down to videos. And I'm going to search for a happy dog one. Puppies are cute. And we'll see what we've got here. And as you hover over the video, it'll show you what the animation of it is. And you can spend a long time looking at all these. I'm going to select this one with the moving dog, and we'll see how that works. I'll just resize it. To find apps from your design screen, you need to go across to your left-hand column and scroll down, and you can see the apps buttons there. Click on that, and Soundraw, as it's new, is coming right up at the top. I just need to click on that, and Soundraw is now available for me. If I scroll down, you can see it's been added now to my far left-hand column. Just going along the top, you have the option to create. You can favorite by just clicking the heart once you've actually generated a song. And you can store your used ones. And you can see I've got some choose the style options here. As usual with these circles and lines, that always gives me some additional options. So I can have epic, happy, hopeful, let's see, genre. I can just show all. And I have the length. And this was, as I think, was about 24 seconds. So I'm going to do it as 30 seconds. And then I could just go back through here and choose one. And let's choose the mood as busy and frantic, because he is moving fast. So let's see what that gives me. Let's try this top one, which says Techno and Trance. And you can change the quality of this and increase it or make it more intense. And you can see the bars getting larger. So let's try another one. House. And by clicking on the quiet section, I can change that and make it more intense. Or even take it up as far as extreme. And we'll try a quick touch of Latin. And again, let's have an extreme section. Okay, I'm going to go back up to the top and I'm going to click Use on Techno and Trance. And this is going to then ask me to subscribe. And now it says that Soundraw wants to connect to my account. And I need to subscribe. And so I'm going to click to copy this, and I'll go to a new tab and I'll show you what comes up next. It's going to give me the payment options if I want to carry on and use the music that I've created. Either take out an annual plan, which you can see is $16.99 a month, or $203.88 if billed annually, or I could take out a monthly plan at $19.99 a month. There was nowhere in the Canva apps that told me I was going to have to do that. To be quite honest, I'm a little disappointed with that, because it hasn't let me use it without signing up for an account. And I really don't use enough music, so I will probably just continue to use the music that's available free in Canva rather than take out a subscription. I will check with Canva that that's right, but I thought it was quite useful to know that this is what was going to happen. I did go back to the Soundraw website and did find there is a free option, but that doesn't come up for Canva. I hope that helps. and I'll see you next week.